Hey, welcome to the shop. First thing I'd like to do is say thank you to every one of you who have watched one of my videos, especially if you've given me a like, dropped a comment, or subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate it. I've been doing this for a month now, and it's gotten off to a way better start than I hoped for, and that's thanks to you guys. I'm about to start working on my bike. Today I'm going to do everything clutch related. I've got a set of levers from one finger. I've got a Muller easy pull power clutch. And I've got a high performance clutch kit from Belt Drives Limited. So let's get started. Gonna take some measurements because I'm wondering if these new levers will change how far away from the bar I gotta reach. I'm also gonna try and measure the difference in pulling force as I do these upgrades. So it's not very accurate, but I've got a luggage scale for flying on an airplane. That is a huge difference. I'm stoked. I mean, that's even more than they advertised. It's 45% less force to pull the lever. Awesome. I was thinking I was probably going to put the stock diaphragm spring back in the clutch to make it easier, but let's see how it feels after the Muller power clutch. I'll probably put the stiffer performance spring in. It is a night and day difference having those two modifications together. The Muller removed 31% of the force that was required after the one finger lever was installed. And together, those two mods removed 62.5% of the force required to pull the clutch lever. So rad. The one thing is the lever does start 0.7 of an inch further away from the handlebar, which is a little bummer for me because I have baby hands. But I think it's got to be that way. You change the leverage ratio and you need to move the lever further to make the same thing happen. So it's worth it. To be honest, I completely forgot that I needed to take the outside of the primary off to get to the clutch, which is a bummer because I doubt that gasket is going to survive. And I live an hour and a half away from the nearest Harley dealer. The gasket looks perfect, so I'm gonna risk it and try and reuse it. I would much rather redo this later than drive for 3 hours right now just to get a new gasket. Everyone that I saw said to pull the clutch plates out with a pick, but the magnet worked real good. So this is the infamous grenade plate, they call it. Whatever genius designed this riveted these two plates together, and basically it can explode catastrophically at any moment. Oh no! Oh man, that was close. Piece of junk. Friction plate first, and then a steel plate. Ooh, piece of candy. 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 Ooh, piece of candy.
Ooh, piece of candy. Ooh, piece of candy. Ooh, piece of candy. Ooh, piece of candy. Ooh, piece of candy. Ooh, piece of candy. Ooh, piece of candy. Ooh, piece of candy. Ooh, candy.
Clutch pack is on. Time to put this primary back together. I did not have enough oil to fill it all the way up, so making sure I couldn't forget. Clutch is done and it feels great. Just need to get some oil to top off my primary, and hopefully it doesn't leak because I chose to reuse my old gaskets. Next week I'd really like to get my new wheels on here and make this thing a roller again. So I'll probably be working on my brakes and my chain drive as well. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like, drop a comment down below, and subscribe to the channel. Starting to get some decent spring weather, so I'm gonna go practice some wheelies on my pit bike because pretty soon I'm gonna have to learn how to wheelie this. And I am rusty. I hope you stay tuned for what's next. Thanks for watching.